Good morning. Today I am going to discuss with you a case wherein even after entering into compromise degree, that is called submit to degree, whatever it may be, when the plaintiff filed a suit for certain recovery of gold and money. Later on, he filed an application stating that there is impossibility of performance of the agreement. Therefore, even if it is a fourth degree, in view of Contract Act provisions, he says if it is contract is frustrated, he may not be in a position to execute the contract. So that was a critical issues referred to the Delhi High Court. And the way in which the court dealt, the way in which the counsels argued, will be very academic interest for every advocate who are interested in civil matter as well as other matters like 138 Negotiable Instrument Act, a lot of field where contract, on the basis of contract, criminal prosecution, whatever civil suits are being filed, you can go through the judgment so that you can understand the effect value of the special provisions of the Contract Act, which gives a defense for the other side how to refute the contract. AR 2021 Delhi 168 Sarbajit Singh Chadha versus Dinesh Sehal. Consent degree cannot be frustrated under Section 56 of the Contract Act. A contract to do an act which after contract is made becomes impossible, becomes void when it act becomes impossible or unlawful, merely because defendant may be unable to comply with the degree, also does not fall in category of impossibility envisaged under Section 56. So you have to go through that contract section 56. Then they say order 23 rule 3 CP does not mandate the court to pass a degree and dispose the suit in terms of any compromise between the parties. The contract, that's what they say, the court is mandated to pass a degree only if finds the contract to be lawful, wide section 56 of the contract. So that is most important. So this judgment deals with order 12 rule 6 CPC. Then they have discussed about the Supreme Court judgment also, that was in Pushpa Devi Bhagat versus Rajendra Singh 2006 5 SCC AR 2006 SC 2628. Order 13 Rule 3 of the CPC was also discussed. What will be the lawful, what will not be the lawful. So to go through the facts of the case and you can understand how vexatious litigation was filed and that was rejected by because the people are having money dealing with the close. The suit was for about 39 3 crore 93 lakhs and odd, 5 crores 98 lakhs 40,000 rupees pertaining to 39,307.551 grams gold. So therefore they have substantial amount to spend. Probably they may go to High Court also. Kindly keep this and must know how. If you go through certain the, ratios where you can find a black line, at least read that area where you could understand some concept of disposal of the court's idea and views by interpreting the word. That means every word of 56 was gone into by the judge. The judge was Rajiv Sahayendla. Sahayendla. Law is there, its last words. Best wishes.